Hi, I'm Brandon with Vivo, and in this video I'll be showing you how to adjust the STAND-TDML1 treadmill laptop mount to fit your treadmill. The first thing to do is to adjust the width of the bar to fit the width of your treadmill's handles. To do this, loosen the two screws on each side using the smallest of the included Allen wrenches. And with the screws loosened, adjust the width of each side until it fits on your treadmill's handlebars. The treadmill in this video is fairly small, so I'll just keep it at the minimum width. Next, open the 4 straps that are on the bar. Place the mount on the handlebars, making sure it's not pressing any buttons that may be present. And then while holding the mount in place, wrap the straps around the handlebars and over the top to secure them. The included straps will fit a handle size of up to 3 inches. With the mount installed to the handlebars, the position of the laptop tray can then be adjusted. To adjust from side to side, loosen the screw in the center of the support bracket. Move the laptop tray to the desired position. And then retighten the screw. To adjust the height of the laptop tray, loosen the large screw on the back of the support bracket. Slide the pole up or down until the tray is at the correct height. And then retighten the screw. We also include a strap that allows the laptop up to 14 inches in size to be secured to the tray. Insert the strap down through one slot and then out through the slot on the other side. Place the laptop on the tray and with the laptop in the open position, find a safe place to wrap the strap around and secure it. And with all of this, your mount is now set up and ready to use with your laptop. And if you have any questions, please feel free to contact our customer support team. Thank you for watching.